do we really forget who made us feel small? What they said, where they said, the sting it left behind? The sharp words, the quiet betrayals, they stay, don't they? Isn't it strange how every time we revisit old memories, the wound feels fresh, almost alive? And it does hurt, doesn't it? Even when we tell ourselves we have moved on. Is there any way to stop carrying this poison around? Let me share a story, and maybe together we'll find the answer. In a busy town with dusty roads and a crowded market, a place always humming with life, there lived a young woman named Neha. She was quiet by nature, often lost in thought, and sensitive to words others might brush off. Whenever someone hurt her, said something mean behind her back, broke her trust, or made her feel small, Neha couldn't stop thinking about it. Anger twisted in her chest. Whenever she made small mistakes, she felt guilty for days. Sometimes she would lie awake replaying it over and over, feeling lonely, ashamed. To deal with it, she started a strange habit. She would write each hurt down on a small slip of paper, fold it neatly, and tuck it into her purse. If I remember every wound, she thought, I'll never let anyone fool me again. Sometimes, secretly, she imagined paying them back. A cold look, a sharp word, or at least making sure they would never get close again. Over time, her parts became thick and messy inside, stuffed with these sleeves of silent grudge. One windy evening, as Neha walked home from work, she stopped at a small roadside shop to buy a new pair of earrings for a family dinner. When she reached the queue, she opened her purse to check for cash. But the notes were buried somewhere under all those folded sleeves. She fumbled, trying to pull out a note, but the breeze caught the sleeves. Before she could react, they flew out, swirling over the footpath, skipping over parked scooters, rising onto the air like a flock of restless birds. Panicking, Neha chased after them, trying to grab the papers. These are my reminders, she thought desperately. But the harder she ran, the more the wind scattered them until they were gone. Breathless, standing in the middle of the lane, Neha froze. She felt strangely empty. And then, unexpectedly, light. Now I don't even remember who did what to me, she realized. She felt free from the anger, the outrage that had silently troubled with her every day. The wind calmed. Neha tucked her hair behind her ear, picked up the earrings and walked home. Her parts felt lighter, her steps softer, and her heart quieter. You see, in life, we are all a bit like Neha. We keep silent lists of insults, betrayals, and regrets, folded away in a hidden pockets of our heart. We think they protect us, but really, they only weigh us down. If we don't let go of old wounds, we'll keep stumbling over these bad memories whenever we look inside ourselves. It's like walking through each day with a backpack full of broken glass. Every step quietly cuts us, even when no one else can see. Or like tending a garden, but watering only the weeds of old pain. while the flowers of joy and hope slowly wilt behind us. Neha lost those sleeps by accident, but maybe life was showing her and us that some burdens are meant to be lost. To move forward, to nourish our own hearts, we must learn to let them go. Holding on to pain doesn't protect you, it poisons your present. Letting go is not weakness, it's how you truly set yourself free. If this story helped you breathe a little easier, tell us your thoughts below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to walk this journey of wisdom together. Thank you for watching. Stay humble, stay growing.